Ten-week-old Jenni Rush visiting Riverside Park, making new friends.
Maybe I should think of waking up now.
Jenni decides she's not quite old enough to play in the fountain. She devours her lunch and looking for more. Back at the burnt house site, she scales up her ramp to play on the backyard trampoline.
So I really try to care. Sometimes I fake it. Strolling down a busy street.
Jenni is still infatuated by their sneakers.
Made it out to say hello to the nice friendly faces. Everyone just seemed to be so happy.
Tries to trip up the big guy.
The game is on, so I play and I play it quite well now. Sense of the occasion has become me. There's a woman that I know, think that I'll ask her
Digging for buried treasure,
if she wants to come along and dance the dance with me. Ooh, I know that she can act.
exhausted, time for a quick nap.
Get some pretty little kids before we go on now.
Follow your nose. Gotta always follow your nose.